I-program le iyasinceda kakhulu because iyasihlanganisa nama-artists, kulama-DJs, kulama-beat makers, kulama-dancers. There's literally everything under one roof. So it's like we are connecting with these singers, the artists. I've never met some of these guys, and now I've gotten the opportunity to meet up with them, and I am hoping that I do projects with them. So ngiyabonga sibili project le yasinceda kakhulu.
Njengontanga, so ubone ngathi kunceda kanganani nxa ama talents ethu funa ukuncedwa ukuthi ephume sibili njalo senelisa ukuthi senze imali ngawo?
Kuyanceda kakhulu ngoba i-art iyasikhipha ezintweni eziningi ezimbi. For example, doing drugs, alcohol abuse. I am not drinking. I think it's also because of dance. I always have dance stuff to do. I don't have time to be doing some other stuff. And iyanceda lami uku-inspire abanye, like a younger generation from me. They want to learn this, they want to learn popping, they want to learn these other versatile styles, afro, amapiano. So it's really nice having this. I am so grateful.